Is feces. It's an human excreta, the waste, which is eliminated through our body through the anus. So it's a bowel discharge. She says that those people who are eating these animals, they should know that frogs also feed on mosquitoes and turtle is a scavenger. It's worse than this. Frogs जो खा रहे हैं वो mosquitoes उनकी feed है, वो है food है. एंड इधर जो टर्टल खा रहे हैं वो तो डेड ऑर्गन्स ही खाते हैं, और जो फिश खा रहे हैं उसमें हमारा एक्सक्रीटा मिलता है, मीन्स ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटा, बाउल डिस्चार्ज. सो शी वॉन्ट्स टू आस्क देम दैट व्हाट दे आर ईटिंग. दे आर जस्ट मोर देन फेटल फॉर देयर हेल्थ. Dietitian Sharma has a note of caution. Vegetarianism will help only if you approach it in a healthy fashion. She stresses the point that if you want to opt for the vegetarian diet, so you should make it a point that you don't keep on gorging on the heavy fast food and fried food, like on gujiyas and most of sugar coated foods. She says you have to guarantee that means you have to do it, take it in a healthy wise, not like yes I am a veggie and you're gorging on the gujiyas and the fried goodies. That doesn't make any sense. Also, one should not turn fanatical for the cause, and if you should not be that means like a crazy person. Yes, if you like that the vegetarian norm is good, you are going for that, but don't be so fanatic, don't be so crazy for that. She means to say that dietitian that if you are eating the vegetarian diet, you make sure you are eating the healthy diet, not the fried food and the much of sweets and fast food. Shroff sums it off with a poetic elan. सूर्य की किरण खाओ और खूब पानी पियो, feast on sun rays and drink lot of water. So Jackie Shroff, he says that हमें सूर्य की किरण खानी चाहिए और खूब पानी पीना चाहिए. Now what does this line mean? Do you know that which vitamin we get from the sunlight? It is vitamin D. It is vitamin D. And in mostly this vitamin is deficient in all the people because we don't sit in sun. We don't take it sun rays. So we should spend at least 20 minutes daily in sunlight, sun rays, so that it can give good effect to our body. And drinking water, at least 2 to 3 liters of water in a day, it just flushes out all the toxins from the body, so it is very healthy. So in a way, he is absolutely right. So now it comes the point that non-vegetarians who include chicken in their diet in place of red meat to make it healthier may soon have to reconsider, with scientists at the Institute of Brain Chemistry and Human Nutrition at the Metropolitan University revealing that chickens bred in the farms contain more fat than protein due to their dietary intake. So nowadays people think, non-vegetarians, they think that by adding chicken in their diet in place of red meat, they think that they are making a very healthier choice. But according to this survey, they have found that chickens जिनको की फार्म में ब्रेड किया जाता है, मीन्स बड़ा किया जाता है, उनके अंदर इतना फैट होता है कि उसका जो प्रोटीन लेवल होता है वो काफी कम होता है. उसमें ये लोग प्रोटीन के लिए खाते हैं ज्यादा चिकन, बट उन लोगों को ये बताना पड़ेगा कि जो ये चिकन्स हैं आजकल, जो फार्म ब्रेड चिकन्स हैं, these have more fat than the protein. They say because due to the high energy food intake and lack of exercise, chickens accumulate nearly 3 times more fat in their bodies as they did 35 years ago. Professor Michael Crawford of the university feels that intensive farming methods were only responsible for the rising levels of the obesity. So earlier the chickens were used to roam free. इनको खुला छोड़ दिया जाता था, उनका वो खुद अपना खाना ढूंढते थे, हर्ब्स खाते थे, छोटे छोटे सीड्स खाते थे, तो उनकी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी भी होती थी चिक्स की. बट आजकल क्या हो गया, इंटेंसिव फार्मिंग मेथड से मीन्स बहुत एडवांस्ड हो गए हैं फार्मिंग मेथड्स भी. So that is what Professor Michael Clifford is saying, that these farming methods are responsible for the rising level of obesity, and people are more prone to eating all these things, non-vegetarian, chicken and all that, and that's why they are getting fatter. They are now fed with high energy foods. Even most organic chickens don't have to walk any distance to eat, because now they are fed at the place where they are not left to roam free and find their food and just do a bit of physical exercise. So they are just fed at the place where they are, and the result is that they are also accumulating nearly 3 times more fat in their bodies. तो उसकी वजह से उनका चलना ही नहीं होता है, तो आपकी बॉडी में फैट तो उतना ही बढ़ जाएगा ना, अंदर एक्यूमुलेट हो जाएगा. एक्यूमुलेट होता है कलेक्ट हो जाना. So while comparing the fat content in the chickens, he found that 100 grams of supermarket chicken consists of 22.8 grams of fat. उनमें इतना फैट होता है 100 ग्राम्स चिकन में, जो आप सुपरमार्केट से लेकर आते हैं उसमें 22.8 ग्राम्स फैट होता है, कंपेयर टू जस्ट 6.6 ग्राम्स इन 1970. पहले इतना सा होता था, अब इतना हो गया बढ़कर. So there was also a 30% decline in protein levels. और जो प्रोटीन होना चाहिए था, जिस वजह से लोग चिकन ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं कि हमें प्रोटीन ज्यादा चाहिए, उसमें प्रोटीन लेवल्स में 30% डिक्लाइन आ गया है एज कंपेयर टू द अर्लियर पीरियड. मीन्स पहले जो लोग दे यूज टू टेक द नॉन वेजिटेरियन डाइट ओनली फॉर द प्रोटीन पर्पस, फॉर द प्रोटीन इनटेक. Now the protein levels have also been declined up to 30% as they used to be in the earlier period. So with this, we come to an end with this chapter, Health is Wealth. In this chapter, we have covered 3 topics: water pollution, then we have the food for thought, then the third one is the veggie delight. So today we have completed this chapter. So I will send you the extra word meanings, and you go through the lesson, read it again, and if you find any line, any word difficult, or if you feel there is any doubt, so you are always free to ask me at my personal number. Thank you.